Have you ever worried about your money when sending it abroad? The thought of your hard-earned cash getting lost in a digital black hole or falling into the wrong hands is a serious concern. But when you use a service like Paysend, how can you be sure your money is safe? The truth is, Paysend takes security as seriously as any bank. They use multiple layers of protection to ensure every transaction is secure and your personal information is kept private. It all starts with advanced encryption. Think of it like a secret code that only Paysend and your recipient's bank can read. All your sensitive data, from your personal details to your payment information, is encrypted, making it impossible for unauthorized parties to access. Beyond encryption, Paysend is also certified by top security standards, including the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS. This is the same rigorous standard that major credit card companies like Visa and MasterCard use. This means that every time you use a card to send money, your payment data is handled with the highest level of care. And there's more. Paysend has robust fraud prevention measures in place. They use sophisticated algorithms to constantly monitor transactions for any suspicious activity. If something unusual is detected, they can flag it and even contact you to verify the transfer before it goes through. There's also two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is a simple but powerful tool that adds an extra layer of security to your account. With 2FA enabled, even if someone gets a hold of your password, they can't log in without the unique code sent to your mobile device. In addition to all these technological safeguards, Paysend is a regulated financial institution. This means they are subject to strict rules and regulations, including anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements, which are designed to prevent illegal activities. These rules ensure that all transactions are handled responsibly and legally. So, when you send money with Paysend, you're not just relying on a single security feature. You're backed by a comprehensive system of encryption, industry-leading compliance, constant fraud monitoring, and user-friendly tools like 2FA, all working together to protect your money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.